Good morning everybody, Mrs. Geipel here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to unpack a word problem and use the cube strategy to solve it. So first here we have our cubes anchor chart, and it tells us exactly what each letter stands for. The C, circle the important numbers. U, underline the question. B, box operation and clues. E, examine the question. For example, what label will my answer have? What information do I have? And what information do I need? And then the S stands for solve it step by step. So now let's look at a word problem and let's use this cube strategy to unpack it. So the problem says, Daniel had some stickers. His brother gave him 5 more stickers. Now Daniel has 18 stickers. How many stickers did Daniel have to start with? So let's look at what cubes tells us to do. The C tells us to circle the important numbers and labels. So I'm going to go through the problem and I'm going to circle the important numbers and labels. Well, first here I see some stickers. Some isn't really a number, but it describes a number. So I'm going to circle that. Okay. Then it says his brother gave him 5 more stickers. I see 5, so I'm going to circle that. Now Daniel has 18 stickers. I see 18 stickers, so I'm going to circle that. Okay? The next thing is the U. The U says underline the question. Well, here in this problem, the question says, how many stickers did Daniel have to start with? So I'm going to underline that question. Now it tells me to box the words that are operation clues. So if I look down here at my I should add chart and I should subtract chart, there's some words for examples that you can use. For example, you might see plus, total, more, with, both, in all, together, some, in addition. Those tell us to add. And then if we need to subtract, you might see the words left, change, fewer, more than, difference, away, or those ER words like longer, shorter, faster, or younger. So I'm going to look through this problem and I'm going to find some words that might help me decide whether or not I need to add or subtract. So let's see. Daniel had some stickers. His brother gave him 5 more. Well, gave tells me he's getting more. So I'm going to box gave because that's going to help me understand what I might need to do. Gave him 5 more stickers. So the word more is also very important, because it tells me he gave him more. So now that I see gave and I see more, it helps me understand that I'm probably going to need to add when I solve this problem. So now the next thing is the E. It says examine the question. And we're going to do that by using the strategy that I like called KWI. You may have seen this before. It looks a lot like a KWL chart. The K stands for what do I know? Or what did I circle in the problem? The W stands for what do I need to find out, or what did I underline? And the I is for what ideas or strategies can I use to solve? So we're going to look at this. And I know, when I look at the K, I know that Daniel had some stickers. Okay? The next thing I know is that his brother gave him 5 more stickers. And the last thing I know is that now he has 18 stickers. Now I need to go to what do I need to find out, or what did I underline? Well, I know I underlined the question, and the question in this problem was, how many stickers did Daniel have to start? Now I want to talk about some strategies or tools that I can use to solve. First off, I have some tools that I can use. Those tools are our part whole chart or a hundreds chart. Those will give me some help when I solve the problem. Now, some other strategies that I could use are to count on, or to draw a picture, and to use a number line, or the traditional algorithm, which is the problem that you see, or the equation that you see when you solve a problem. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to, when I get to my solve part, is I'm going to use my part whole chart to decide if I have to add or subtract. So I know with part whole that if I have two parts, I add it together to get the whole. And they stick together. I think they did. If I have a whole and a part, I know I have to subtract those to get the other part. So let's see what I have. I know Daniel had some stickers and he got 5 more. And now he has 18 stickers. So 18 stickers is what he ends with. So that's going to be my whole. So that means that some stickers that I started with and the 5 more stickers that I got are my 2 parts. So now that I see what I have, I know that because I have a whole and a part, I need to subtract. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. And I think I'm going to do that in a couple of different ways. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write down the algorithm or the equation that I need to use to solve the problem. So I start with my whole, which is 18, and I subtract 5, which is one of my parts. Okay? I'm going to do this an easy way. I'm going to draw a picture. Now, I'm not an artist, so please excuse my drawing. I think I will just use a circle for the stickers. So I'm going to draw 18 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, I have to take 5 of those stickers away. So I'm going to do that by crossing out 5 stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that I've taken those 5 stickers away, I can count what I have left to see how many stickers Daniel has had before he got the 5 more from his brother. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 stickers is what Daniel had to start with. So now I know the answer to my question, how many stickers did Daniel have to start? Daniel had 13 stickers to start with. Thanks for listening. I'll see you next time, boys and girls.